Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. I'm just about to approach our shipping area because we have a nice scale, weight scale. We're going to weight S&S muffler against a factory muffler that you find on Royal Enfield, Continental GT and the Interceptor 650. So we have them side by side. You can see the dimensional differences. Fit and finish is beautiful. The original muffler is very, very nice, but it's also much heavier. How much heavier? That's a common question we get asked, so we decided to do this video. Let's check it out together. So we are going to start. In fact, we're going to do something really cool. We're going to measure two of them together. And you'd say, why? There's no special reason, just because we can, and in case someone has a question. But they combined, they weighed 17 pounds. So now, if we remove one of them, we're down to 10 pounds, 10.5 pounds. And now we're back to 17, and we're down to 6 pounds. So I'll put it in the middle, double check. 6 pounds versus 10.5, almost 11, because combined they're close to 17 pounds. That's a big difference. That is what, like 40%, 30 to 40% difference between the two. That is substantial, you can tell. And now multiply it by 2, so you can shave off 9 pounds from the weight of your bike, or about 9 pounds from the weight of your bike, by simply installing these gorgeous looking, very nice sounding S&S mufflers. So give that a try. We have them on the website. You can check it out. And don't forget to like this video. This is a very common question, and we just gave you the answers.